In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a discount code on Setmore. So it's actually quite simple. First, what you have to do is activate your booking page payments. And the way you do this is by going over here to the very left and click on payments. And after that, you want to make sure you connect either PayPal, Stripe, Square, or all of them, okay? So you can connect them by clicking on any of those and then pressing connect. And after that, you'll have to log in with your either PayPal, Stripe, or Square account over here, and you'll basically be able to connect the two. Now, after you've done this, what you're gonna have to do is over here where it says booking page payments, where it says accept booking page payments, enable customers to pay online ahead of time, you wanna make sure this is enabled. So you wanna enable this over here. As you can see, I don't have a payment system integrated yet. So first, before you can turn that on, as I said, you will have to connect any of these over here. And then after you've turned this on, you will be able to over here where it says would you like to apply additional charges or reductions like taxes or discounts, it's here where you actually create the discounts. And the way you can do this is by clicking add charge or reduction, and you simply want to click on that. And after you click on it, you will see basically a pop-up window which will say create charge or reduction. You'll be able to select a type, which should be, of course, a discount. And then after that, you'll be able to name it, give it the percentage, and then the way you would like it to apply. And after that, you can simply click on Save Changes, and your coupon code, or basically your discount code on Setmore, will be created, and then you can start using it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.